Question number 12. If a pair of shoes cost 106.35 and pair of shoes cost 18.65, how many sets of shoes and socks can be bought with rupees 1000? So what we will do, we will add the cost of shoes with the cost of socks, and then we will divide 1000 by the total cost of shoes and socks. So how we will do, these two number are the decimals, so we will add, easily we can add, both are the like decimals, and then we will get one total cost. Now see, 5 and 5, 10, 0 carry over 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 and 6, 10 carry over 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 and 8, 15 carry over 1, this 1 and 1 equals to 2 and 1 as it is, so 125.00 or 125. Now the sets of shoes and socks equals to worth, total worth upon the total cost. So total worth, that the person having 1000 and the cost of shoes and socks is 125 rupees. So divide, now cut this number by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and this also we can cut it by 2, 5 2s are 10, then 2 0 left, 0 0, again we can cut it by 5, simplify by 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 0. Now 5 1s are 5 and 5 8s are 40. So we got 8 upon 1 or 8. So 8 sets of shoes and socks that person can buy with the worth of 1000 rupees. Now move on to the next question. Susan adds rupees 161.25 to her saving and spend all money on buying the 4 books. So what we will do in this question, we will find out the cost of 4 books. If one book cost 1214.30, so we will multiply 4 in 1214.30, cost of one book, multiply by 4, so the cost of 4 books. Then we will subtract the 161.25, so that we will get how much money that Susan had before she added 161.25 in her saving. So it is not finding the total saving she was having. It is the question, what is the total money she is having and how much money she had before saving this, before she added this much. So before adding this much rupees, how much money she had. Okay, so first multiply 4 with 214.30. so 4 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, carry over 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 and 4 2s are 8, so 857.20. Now money Susan had added before she added rupees 161.25, so we will subtract 161.25 from 857.20. Now this number will become 0, from 0 to 10, and this number will become 1. Now 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Now we have to borrow 1 from here, 6, this number will become 6, and this number will become 11. Now 11 minus 2 equals to 9. Now this number is 6. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Now this 5 minus 6 we cannot subtract, so we will borrow one number from here, so this number becomes 7 and this number become 15. Now 15 minus 6 equals to 9 and 7 minus 1 equals to 6. So like this we got the answer 695.95 before adding the money 161.25 on a saving. Next question, Virender covers 0.6 meter in each step while running in 100 meter race. After covering the 68.08 meter, he fell down. Now how many steps remain for Virender to finish the race? So let's suppose there is a race of 100 meter. Now the total length of the race is 100 meter. Now in one step he covers 0.6 meter. From means when he put her leg from here to here, so he cover 0.6 meter. Okay, now that means we can say in one step 0.6 meter he cover in one step. Now he already cover 68.8 meter distance. Okay, now we have to find how many steps to remain for Virender to finish the race. So to finish the race, how many distance to cover? Distance to cover is equals to 100 minus 68.8. So we will subtract this 68.8 from 100. Now 100 is a whole number, so we will make it a decimal number by putting a 0 after and this 0. Now 0 minus 8, we will take borrow, so this number will become 10. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Now this number is 0, so this number give the 1 to the near number, so it will be 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Now this number will also become 9. 9 minus 6, this number is 9. 9 minus 6 equals to 3. So he has to cover 31.2 meter distance. This much distance that Virender has to cover. So we know that 0.6 meter cover in one step. 0.6 he covers in one step. So how much distance he has to cover? 31.2 meter. So 31.2 meter distance to cover how many in how many steps? 31.2 upon 0.6. So this dot decimal, and from here decimal we can remove because both having by same decimal place. Now we will cut this number by 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 5 is 30. 1 left. Now 6 2 is 12. So our answer is 52. So in 52 step he will cover the distance. Here is the solution. Total distance 100. Distance covered 68.8 meter. Now distance left, subtract 31 so we get 31.2. Now steps to cover 0.6, one step. Now steps to cover 31.2 meter equals to 31.2 divided by 0.6. Now here by second method I solve this to remove because divisor is a decimal number, to make it a whole number multiplied by 10. By multiply by 10, just looking the number the decimal place, so decimal place after the one number, so by 10 both. So you got 312 upon 6. So 6 1 is 6, and this we got 6 5 is 30. 1 left. 6 2 is 12. 52 steps he will finish the race. Now next question. Meena bought a sofa for rupees 4,395 on Diwali. Being a festival season, she was allowed to pay the price of the sofa in 12 equal monthly installment without any interest. So how much is the monthly installment that she has to pay? So what we have to do here, the total money the Meena has to pay is 4,395 rupees. And the total installment are 12, means 12 month installment are there, and 12 equal monthly installment without any interest she has to pay. So what now she has to do? In 1 month she has to pay the money. So what we will do, in 12 months she has to pay this much money. So in 1 month she will pay 4,395 upon 12. So divide this number by 12 only, you will get your answer. So 4,395 5 is divided by 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Subtract. Now this number become 13 and this number become 3. So 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Now brought the next number 9. Now 12. Read the table of 12. 12 7 ja 12 6 ja 12 6 ja 72. So we will write 72 here, then subtract. You will left by how much? 9 minus 2 equals to 7, and we will take the next number 5 in the down, and here we will write 6. Then again we can 6 times we can divide this number 72. Now here we will write 72. Now we left 3. Now we will put the decimal point. Now we will put a 0 here. Now 12 2s are 24. Now we left with 6. Now decimal point is there, we can put a 0. Now 12 5s are 60. So we got the answer 366.25. So here is the solution. Number of installment are 12. Monthly installment equals to total payment upon number of installments. So we will get the answer 366.25. So this is the solution of 3C exercise. In the next video we will start chapter number 4, and I hope you will complete your copy and you are solving all the questions. Thank you.